Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kolisi pun pi borak ki paidbah opek khobor Antor News. Khobor Antor News sudah nata hani hari lom garu hading ka jingai lanti ka basitio lanter ban pek batengok ya ke jong jaman jong ka election hani hari lom garu ngi bakal election hani hari lom garu kalau long ka ba isong siat bat ka ba ima haru ata bon ibo borok ki kartong bar ki seng sai berthei hani kida ke ji kini bunyo ya kanam yang nam jom hani ka ji khun ka ba culture ke hani hamta ha kan rithor Goro Hills bagi lawan na ba is Goro Hills, West Goro Hills, North Goro Hills, South Goro Hills ngiu i kambun sien kal air ka hakitain lom hakitain senjorong jong ka tura kibe sak NPP ka ba ha ni kitam rithor ngiu i ba ka ti am siru kadang kal air nomor kidon kirang ikun ki besar khaiba ha kani kadong than jong gari lom borok koi nomor ni ya kimat jia kenen bat kimat jong kajinge jong ni kadong kathan ni Dr Mukul baru kondat ki sama kilong kini lam besar kai ne kidan ka jingatan ka jing te ngatang isu mentangi dan hak ni senang Trikilla Constituency kebalami khmat da MLA jong NPP mi kadan kajingatan telai ni ba umukul ru un sailak persa un si khun ni ka nakan ni ka seng TMC naka konstitusi Trikilla kabaila diru umukul semua yele lina po songsang hanrai hang ni ka jing Dr Mukul umka banyele ilade hanrai tan mar ka jing karpat ki katu kat ni ki community jong ki jai beri besar hang ni time nomor ki i ba Dr Mukul ulong ilam jong ki jai beri sane kawi i babun ki jingi apor jong long minister jong long chief minister mu ulang ra i kalau kepar jong ka dong ka than sane ngi ru kat kum ka jingi thu na David kemudian secretary nong ilam jong ki rabah itu berapa hang ni uang sibuk jim tai bikiyo hanre hani sarkar bom tak jelam jong konrat sama kiyo i bakim yo i usukular tengah tien hanre kakam ko poisi tiam tak ni layo banyak kedaru buat ini unong nyelam jong ki rabah hang ni uya tu ba lese kejingan jong tom kol ni asik kalau kejim toi ki bat ya kedong kathan sini nomor kani kedong kathan ni kediga jaka kebai syong ya sa habarok bun ki jai pun reu naduk ki Garu ki Bengali ki Hajong Rabah bat ki Muslim ni kambun hang ni ngi kabut jong ki Garu.
Yeah, the campaign is going on and then we are very much hopeful that we will definitely win this seat here in Trikilla. We are hoping to win in a huge margin.
Do you think which margin that Dr Mukul will win because he stand in dual assembly?
Yeah. So we are expecting around 4,000 to 5,000 margin. The reason is very simple because in the last 5 years we didn't see any development from NPP government, and then most of these leaders are very corrupt. And then they are just think for themselves only. They didn't get for the people development. Didn't reach to the people. So we are very hoping to get a huge seat from Goro Hills. Here in during these 5 years, we didn't get even a single development, even a single major road. The roads are not repaired. And even there's schools, infrastructure and all. We didn't get even a single development here.
So who called Dr Mukul Sangma to contest from here?
It's people's view because around all these years we have elected numerous number of MLAs here, and we didn't get even a single development. So the people decided to ask him to contest here, and then he decided to contest here, and it's a very good sign for us. It's a huge difference between Dr Mukul Sangma and Khot Sangma. When Dr Mukul Sangma was chief minister for 8 years, he did different things, different programs, And then you can see that here now the MDA government, this basically this NPP government, they are in every field they're lagging behind in even in infrastructure, road and development or everything. They're underdeveloped, we can say, because we as people of Trikilla always wanting to get developed. Not even if you see that whole Garo Hills, Trikilla is very lagging behind in development. So we are very much hoping to get development here.
VCS Juro. I'm the secretary from Rabha community. So Mukul is not willing to contest in Trikilla 45 Trikilla constituency, I think. Before that, we approached to him all the communities like Rabha and Garos and Muslim also even. So we Hajong also, we demand that such a dynamic leader we need in Trikilla constituency, because you know that like 20 years ago we didn't have any development in Trikilla, under Trikilla constituency. So we are just hoping that the Mukul should contest in Trikilla constituency, so that Trikilla constituency, the public of the Trikilla constituency will be benefit. Yes,
and development will come.
Yeah, and development will come because he is the very dynamic leader. So we hope 100% he will be win here. Education also, the present MDA government what they has done with the teachers, and then the payment of the teachers is very much how say, yes. So after 4 or 5 years they giving that salary. So the teachers are moreover getting problem. So that
is the
difference. We didn't get any help from this present MLA.
No fruits, no result.
No results. Even when we are suffering from that COVID-19, see, for the Rabha communities, especially for the Rabha community, he didn't done anything. He has given some, that relief. But the from the Rabha community sides, we never get any help from the
coach.
Same
thing.
Same.
Don't get anything.
No. Yes, very less number of Garos. Yes. See, from Rabha community 7,000 plus.
7,000 plus.
And from Hajong it's 1,500.
1,500.
And then Coach is very less. Yes. Garo 14 plus. And then Muslim 10 plus. And then this Bihari, Bengali, the Bihari, Bengali, non-tribal. It's almost 5,000.
What it means having mixed up the tribe here.
Yeah, mix up.